Hello everyone, welcome to the channel F&B's Farm. As promised, here's the update in regards to planting some vegetables out here in Cyprus. It's Saturday the 5th of March 2022 and it's 16 degrees here. We have slight greyish clouds, possible rain today, but it's very warm and it's fresh out here. So basically what I've done is, as you can see, I've got some pots here, got a few trays. Now I have some seeds from a few years back which I previously did a trial of planting. Now I haven't had a look at them yet, but what I wanted to do was do a tray with what I have available, which I'll obviously show to you in part 2 shortly. And also within the next week I plan to go to my local home store to pick up some soil and obviously some new seeds. I did previously, back in January, pop down to that store, but they had nothing available, probably being the winter time and out of stocks. There could be various reasons for that obviously, but I will do that. So pop down there and do a tray with some new seeds. So yeah, I'll show you what I've got in part 2 of the video, and we'll start off with the seeds that I have, see what we can do, and if all goes well, then I've got quite a bit there, so from before, so I may actually use the whole lot in the end, providing the space allows. I mean, I've only got 9 square metre in total that I can work with here on the balcony, so I'm not going to be able to use the whole of the 9 square metres, but I'll be able to maybe use almost half. So sorry about the bikes in the background now. I'm sort of close to a highway, so it doesn't help when you're trying to sort of understand what I'm saying. But I'm basically going to use probably 4 square metres of the balcony for the planting, and obviously I'm quite fortunate because it's a south-facing balcony, so during the day should get quite a lot of sunlight. And obviously with the clocks going forward at the end of this month, it gets quite light early, so the sun's usually out quite early, probably about 6 o'clock. It'll start. The sun, if it's nice weather, the sun will be out. So yeah, there'll be enough sunlight for the seeds, and then obviously I can replant them once, if and actually when they actually pop up. So there's some information for you guys. There's a bit of update. I'll see you in part 2. Bye guys.